Video được Việt hóa bởi Ngọc Tân từ group tài nguyên dựng phim. Nghiêm cấm các hành vi lít về rồi bán cho thằng khác. Mọi ý kiến đóng góp xin gửi về Facebook Quỳnh Ngọc Tân.
Now that we're somewhat familiar with how the media page works, let's take a look at a couple of the gotchas, a couple things that sort of throw people off when it comes to the media page. First big thing we sort of talked about, but just for super clarity, this stuff up here in the media storage, you can preview stuff, but it's not actually in your project. So sometimes you can navigate to this and look at all of your footage, and then you go to edit and all of your media seems like it disappears. Well, it was never really in your project anyway. Remember, the only place where your media actually lives in your project is in the media pool. Next thing that trips people up is if a panel is hidden. So in Resolve, in the upper corners, we have all these little icons. And if you click on them, they will show and hide different panels. If they're bright white, the panel is showing, and if they're gray, the panel is hidden. So you can have an interface that looks like this, and you go, oh man, where are all those things that Casey's talking about? You probably just have the panels hidden. So if you don't see something, make sure to check and make sure that it's white here in the upper parts. The other thing that throws people off sometimes is the metadata. You'll be looking for something like, oh, where is shot and scene and take? Man, that would be really great to put in the keywords or comments or description, but I can't find them here. Well, what often happens is we're on the wrong group here. So we can be on clip details and we're scrolling up and down going, where are the places that I can actually add the data? That's because you got to go here and select shot and scene, or if you don't know what it is, you can just click on all groups, and then you can see every single piece of metadata that you could possibly read or write to a file, and it's a lot.
Video được Việt hóa bởi Ngọc Tân từ group tài nguyên dựng phim.
If something's hidden, that's how you find it. The other thing that sometimes happens is if you want to look at thumbnails, but it looks like this, you can go to these little icons here, and these again are common throughout Resolve. There's three little views. There's list view, thumbnail view, and metadata view. So we've mostly been working in thumbnail view. We can also click on metadata view, which is sort of a hybrid between thumbnails and the list view. These kind of give little cards that tells you the date and the time code, as well as a little thumbnail. And like I said, these little icons are common. We also have them here in the media storage. This list view is also a great way to look at all of the metadata for the clips all at once. If you can't find a little section here, you can right click and make sure that you are showing the column that you want. So if you can't find the resolution, let's say, make sure you click on the resolution so that you know what the heck is going on. So there's some basic troubleshooting for the media page.
Video được Việt hóa bởi Ngọc Tân từ group tài nguyên dựng phim.